First thing you're going to want to do is locate your applications folder. On a Mac, it's pretty easy. It says applications. On Windows, I'm sure you could type it in. From there, you're going to want to locate the most current Adobe Illustrator file. When you open that up, you're going to want to go to presets. And from presets, when you click that open, you're going to want to go to a folder that says en_US. I don't know what it means, but it'll be there. From there, go to your Swatches folder and expand that. This is where you are going to want to drop your swatch file. So grab your swatch file, drop it in, do whatever passwords are necessary for permissions, and you will see it populate in the Swatches folder. Pop back over to Illustrator. You're going to want to go to your fill, and then you're going to want to go to your library. You should see your new swatch loaded. When you click it open, you will see a new panel that populates that has the swatches that you added. The end.